Hello everyone, this is Mihan. Today video I would like to show you how to convert text like this or text like this into a table like this. Okay, let's start. Okay, so first of all, just select your text right here and then go to Insert, Table, and then we have option Convert Text to Table. Okay, so we can convert text to table. Just click here and then it come up the screen like this and with show number or row and column. Okay, this is fit auto or fit with content. You can choose it and you can see that our data is separated by tab, right? Separate by tab. So we choose tab and then click OK, and then boom, we got that, right? That's simple and easy. What about this one? Just select it because our data separate by comma every one. So just select all that. Insert, table, and then convert to table. This time by comma, right? If it's separated by other, just select other and type what is separate. So here by comma. So click OK and then boom, you got it. Hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know.